my people, back again with another one. Today we've got some off-white. So this box is a bit dirty, or a bit is an understatement. It's really dirty, but it's not my fault. Shout out to whoever was at the warehouse who decided to fly kick the box and just rub it all over the floor. Not happy with that, but on an ideal day it would have been all white without the hints of brown, and it would say off-white in a kind of like raised print, off-white TM, so trademark, and then there again off-white care of Virgil Abloh. That's not raised, that's just flat. Looks like it's printed on. The important bit is what it says on the box, and obviously it's got a lot of information. What we just want to know is off-white, mid-top, leather, white, black, UK 1145. Unfortunately, they did send the wrong size as well. So the good thing is this pair will go back, and I'll get my pair hopefully with a nice clean box. So it's always fun when you get the wrong size sent over, but we'll still continue with the review. So once you open up the box, you've got dust bag, or dust bags actually. You got two dust bags there, off-white. It's kind of like stuck on sticker, so they're off-white dust bags. Any expensive shoe that you buy should come with dust bags. Personally, I don't use them, but it should come with dust bags. And also your off-whites should come with an extra pair of laces, which say what they are on it, which is shoelaces. So that's just an extra pair for this pair. And here is the shoe. So it should be strapped up like that, but I undone it so I can do the on foot. This is the high top off-white. Let me just strap it up anyway, just so it makes it easier to do the video. Okay. So I call these the high top because, you know, it's basically a high top shoe. Mid top would be a bit lower to me. I think this is in the middle of a mid and a high if it was like an Air Force. That's why I like them, because it reminds me of a mid/high Air Force, kind of in the middle of them two. It's like a kind of a luxury or a high-end Air Force. Some people don't like this one, they like the low one as well, but that's up to you. The low top video, if it's not up already, it will also be up on YouTube real soon. So just go on my channel and have a look at that. Same shoe but low top. So obviously the sole, we've got the standard off-white out of office sole, which says off-white and then trademark. Then it's got a bit of clear and a bit of clear here, so it's like a rubber clear translucent sole. Some models they have it a bit tinted, etc. I would maybe prefer it to be tinted or like just all black at the bottom, but I don't mind it like this either. The midsole is kind of half black and half white, and then the stitching there is white. The back part is all white. This bit's obviously split. The upper is literally all leather. So we've got the back, upper, literally there. Then we've got the arrow, off-white swoosh. I can't help myself, but I have to just call it that for some strange reason. Toe box, and the toe, the whole around there is just leather, and the whole upper again is leather. Of course, again, leather holes for the laces. Then we've got a kind of mesh tongue, and then we've got obviously off-white embossed into this bit with the strap. I'm 50-50 about the strap, to be honest. I do obviously have it on the Air Force One mid, but I haven't worn them for a long time. So let's just unstrap that bit, and then you can see the tongue, which says off-white care of Virgil Abloh, and then it says made on Earth, designed on a plane, sorry. So he designed them on a plane. Ooh, I don't know why it's a planet, it's a bit hard to read from here. Then 2013 and then copyright logo. On the inside of the shoe, it will say the European size or the European number. So 11 would be 45, 10 would be 44, 9 will be 43, etc. And obviously it will say made in China. If you get onto the inside, it will have Off-White and then trademark on the insole. And then if we want to get completely into it, we'll get into what the insole looks like. So in there it's just clean, plain, just a bit of excess strings, and then that's the insole, the bottom of it. It's not the most comfortable, it's quite hard, but you can definitely change that out because it just comes out straight away, so you'll be alright with them. But yeah, I do like this shoe. The price point on this pair was quite decent for myself as well. It was about £230, which American $260, $270, maybe a bit less. But yeah, not a bad price for the shoe. Comfort wise, it's in the middle at the moment, I'll be honest, because I haven't worn them outside because I've only done the on foot video for these. I haven't, and they're my wrong size, they're not my size, so I can't really wear them, and I won't wear them outside. I will just get my exchange done and then hopefully try them on, etc. But yeah, I think personally I do prefer the other model a bit more, which is the low top, just because I like to wear lows way more now. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'll also be comparing these to the lows, like a side-by-side comparison video. And yeah, nothing much more to say. Just wait a few seconds, you'll see an on-foot video of these. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, hype, all that good stuff. And most importantly, take care, my people.